आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we solve the question number 5 of exercise 1.4. Now this is A, matrix is given, B is given and C is given. The first part of this question is AB is equal to BA. First we will find AB. Now taking left hand side AB, this AB is equal to now this is equal to AB is equal to, now this is our A, this is A matrix, -1 3 2 0. Now we write here B matrix 1 2 -3 -5. Now we multiply this matrix by this, and our this is first rows we multiply by this column. Now -1 multiply by this one, +3 multiply by -3, this 3. Again this row will multiply this column, -1 multiply by 2 and +3 multiply by -5. Now we have completed first row, and now we second row. 2 multiply by 1, this 1, and +0 multiply by -3. Again this 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, this 2, and 0 this, +0 multiply by -5. Now we have here is equal to -1 multiply by 1 -1, and 3 multiply by -3, this plus minus we 9 here. Now -1 multiply by 2 -2, and -5 multiply by 3 -15. Now here 2 multiply by 1 2, and +0 multiply by this 0. Again 2 multiply by 2 4, and 0 multiply by -5 +0, this here. Now is equal to -10, -1 -9 is equal to -10, and -2 and -15 is -17. Now here 2 is 2, and this 4 plus 0 is 4. Now it is AB. Now we find this is our first, we write this first answer, and we now find BA. Now this is BA. First we write B matrix, first we write B matrix, and our B is 1 2 -3 -5. Now write here A matrix 1 -1, this -1 3 and 2 0, this. Now multiply this is equal to, this row will multiply this 1 multiply by -1, and +2 multiply by 2, this 1 multiply this, 2 multiply by this. Again 1 multiply by 3, and 2 multiply by 0, this row will this column. Again -3 multiply by -1, this -3 multiply by -1, and +-5 multiply by this 2, multiply by 2. Again this multiply by this, -3 multiply by 3, and +-5 multiply by this 0, this 0 is equal to -1 plus 4, and here 3 plus 0, and again here minus, and plus minus this multiple plus 3, and -10 is equal to -3 9, and +0 here is equal to this -1 plus 4 is 3, and again this 3, and here -7, this -7, and here -9, this -9 plus 0 is -9. Again this is our second result. This from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we write this AB is not equal to BA. We result, this is our first result, this is our second result. From this, AB is not equal to BA. Now it is the second part of this question. Now we take left hand side by taking left hand side. This left hand side. We write here A into BC. This. Now we find this, and first we write A. After the multiplication of BC, we will write A. Now this is round brackets. Now we write B. B is 1, 2, minus 3, and minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Now this is we write C. C is 2, 1, 1 and 3. Now this is our C matrix, and we write round brackets. Is equal to A. Now we write round brackets here. Now this multiply with this. This row will multiply with this. 1 multiply 2 and plus 2 multiply by 2. 1 multiply 2 and 2 multiply by 1. Again this 1 multiply by 1 and 2 multiply by 3. This. Again here. This multiply by this, minus 3 multiply by 2 and plus minus 5 multiply by 1. Again here. This minus this multiply, minus 3 multiply by 1 and plus minus 5 multiply by 3. Now here again we write A and write the round brackets, and this is our matrix. 1 multiply 2, 2, and this 2 multiply 1, 2, here plus 2, and 1 multiply 1, 1, and plus 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Here minus 6, and plus minus. This minus will multiply this with here minus 5. Again minus 3 and minus 15. 3 5s are 15. The minus 15 here. This minus 15. Now we write this and round bracket this. Is equal to A. This is our round brackets, and 4, 7, and minus 11 and minus 18. Now this is our multiplication of BC. Now we write here A. We write here A. This is our A. This is our A matrix. We write here. This is minus 1, 3, and 2, 0. We multiply this. 4, 7, minus 11, minus 18. Now this matrix we multiply is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 4, minus 1 multiplied by 4, plus 3 multiplied by minus 11. This. Now again minus 1 multiplied by 7 and plus 3 multiplied by minus 18. Now this. We write this. 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, plus 0 multiplied by minus 11 here, and 2 multiplied by 7 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 18, this. Now again we write this minus 4 and minus 33, this minus 7 and minus 54. Now here again 8 and plus 0, and this is here 14 plus 0. Now again we write this is equal to minus 4 minus 37, this minus 37, and here minus 61. Now 8 and 4. Now this is our first result. Now we find the second of this result. We write A is equal to here this on the right hand side, this is the right hand side, is equal to AB multiplied by C. Here is equal to, we write this. Now first we multiply AB. Now write first A matrix is -1 3 2 0. Now we write B matrix. B is 1 2 -3 and -5. Now we round bracket this, and after this we write C. Now we multiply this matrix by this. Now here first we multiply this two matrix, then we multiply after this C, is equal to, now the round bracket here, this -1 multiplied by 1, this -1, this multiplied by 1, this one, and +3 multiplied by -3, this -3, again -1 multiplied by 2, this 2, and +3, this 3 multiplied by -5 here. Again we write this brackets and round brackets and C right here. 2 multiply this, 2 multiply 1, and +0 multiplied by -3. Again 2 multiply 2, this, and +0 multiplied by -5. Again we write this is equal to round brackets, and like this -1 and -3. Again -2 and -15 is here. Now again 2 and +0, and here 2 2s are 4 and +0, because 0 is multiple -5. We write this round bracket this C. In the next step we write this brackets and -1 -3, this -9, sorry, -3 multiplied by -3 -9, this is -9, 3 multiplied by -3 is -9. We write here -10, and here -17, -2 -15 -17, 2 + 0 2, and 4 + 0 4. Now we write this and this. Now we write A matrix, C matrix, and our C matrix is equal to, this is our C matrix, 2 1 and 1 3. This is our C matrix. Now we multiply this by this, is equal to, we again write -10 -17 and 2 and 4. Now we write again 2 1 and 1 3. We multiply this by this, is equal to -10, this -10 multiplied by 2 here, plus -17 is multiplied by 1 again, yes, and this -10 multiplied by 1, this one, and this multiplied by this, plus 17 -17 is multiplied by 3, this 3. We write here. Now 2 is multiplied, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1, this one, 10 multiplied by 2, and -17 multiplied by 1, okay, this is -17. Again here 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, and here 4 multiplied by 3, plus 4 multiplied by 3 again. Now write again here -20 and -17, this -17, -10 here, and -7 3 the 51, -51 again, 2 2s are 4 and plus 4 here, again 2 1s are 2 plus 12 here. Now we write this is equal to this -37 here, and -61, and 4 4 8, and 2 plus 4 12 is 14. Now this is our second result from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we write AB, we write A into BC, BC is equal to AB multiplied by C. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. This. Now we start next question. The third part of this question is, this is our third part. This is our third part of this. This is our third part. This is our third part. AB plus. Now this is not third our. Now this is our third. This is our third. Now it is A plus A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. By taking left hand side, we take this side and we write A, and this is our A matrix. We write this again, and we write this B, and we write this C. First we add these two and then we multiply by this is equal to, we write here minus 1 3 and 2 0 this, and we add this 1 plus 2, this 2, and again 2 plus 1, again 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 is here, 2 plus 1, this 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1, again minus 3 and plus 1, this plus 1, and minus 5 plus 3, again we write this is equal to, this is our matrix A, minus 1 3 2 0. Now this is our matrix. We write this 3, this is our 3, and here also 2 plus 1 is 3, and minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Now this is our A, and this is result of B plus C. We multiply with this is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 3, minus 1 multiplied by this 3, and plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, this, and again this multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3, and 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, this. Right here again minus 1 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by minus 2, again this will multiply with this 2 multiplied by 3 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 2, and again here this multiply this 2 multiplied by 3 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 2. We add again, simplify, minus 3 and minus 6, minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 3, and also 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 6. Here again 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 0, again 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 0, again we write this is equal to minus 9 and minus 9, okay, and 6 and 6. Now it is our first result of A into B plus C. Now we write the second part of this. Now the second part, we write the second part is this on the left right hand side. This is our left right hand side. Now we write this is our A B C. Now put this is equal to, we write here A B, would take first AB, would take first AB is equal to first A, this is our minus 1 and 3 and 2 and 0. Now B is 1 2 minus 3 and minus 5. Here we write this, we multiply this by this, and minus 1 and 3 first rows we multiply by this, we write this in the form of this. Now is equal to AB, AB is equal to, we multiply minus 1 by 1, minus 1 multiply 1 and plus 3 multiply by minus 3, multiply by minus 3, again minus 1 multiply by this 2 and plus 3 multiply by minus 5, we multiply this, again here 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 3. Again 2 multiplied by 2, this 2 multiplied by 2 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 5. Again AB is equal to, we write minus 1 and minus, we write minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1 and minus 9. And here minus 2, minus 2, minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2, and 3 multiplied by minus 5, minus 15 here is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 and plus 0, 2 plus 0, and 2 multiplied by 2, 4, and 0 multiplied by minus 5 plus 0. Here we write here AB, the result is equal to minus 10 and minus 17 and 2 and 4. This is our 4. This 4. Now this is our first result. This is first result, and we put this result in this. Now we find AC. AC. We write here A matrix. A is our minus 1 and 3 and 2 and 0. Now we write this C matrix. C matrix is 2, 1 and 1, 3. Now we write this AC minus 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, this is our 0, and 2, 1 and 1, 3. Now this is our two matrices. We multiply this. Now minus 1 multiply this 2 and plus 3 multiply by this 1. Again this multiply by this, minus 1 multiply by 1 and plus 3 multiply by 3. Write this. Again this multiply by this, 2 multiply by 2 and plus 0 multiply by 1. Here again 2 multiply by 2, this 2 multiply by 1 and plus 0 multiply by this 3. We write here AC is equal to minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 and minus 1 plus 9. Here also again 4 plus 0 and 2 plus 0. Now we write this matrix like this. AC is equal to, now 1, this is our 1 and this is 8, minus 1 plus 9, 8. Now here 4 and here 2 only. Now this is our C. Now we add these, now we put these A by putting AB, now AB, this AB and AC in 1. We have given in 1. Now we write this is equal to, we write this AB plus AC is equal to, now we put these here is equal to AB plus AC. Now AB we write here, this is our AB, minus 10 and minus 17. Now 2 and 4, and here plus AC, we write AC. AC is 1, 8 and 4, 2. Now we add this is equal to this minus 10 plus 1, minus 10 plus 1 and minus 17 plus 8. Now here 2 plus 4, this, and 4 plus 2. Right here is equal to minus 9 and also here minus 9, 6 and 6. Now it is our equal to AB plus AC. Now this is our result 2. From 1 and 2 we write A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is our right hand side. Now next we start this question, the fourth part of this question. Again A multiplied by B minus C and is equal to AB minus AC. AB minus AC. Right Again, by taking the left hand side, this is our left hand side, we write this A, and in bracket, round brackets, we write B minus C, this B minus C. Now first we will subtract this matrix from this and then multiply by this, is equal to, write again, minus 1 3 and 2 0, minus 1 3 and 2 0. This is our matrix, and we write round brackets, this 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, this 1 minus 2, and 2 minus 1 here again, and minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1. Here also minus 5, this minus 5, and minus 3, this minus 3. We write this matrix like this, is equal to, this matrix our A is minus 1 2 3 and 2 0. Now this is our A matrix, and we write this like this, 1 minus 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1, now this one, and minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, again minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Now again we multiply by this and we get the answer. Now here minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, and plus 3, this 3 multiplied by minus 4, minus 4. Again this multiplied by this, minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 8. This write this, and is equal to, now 2 multiplied by minus 1, 2 multiplied by minus 1, and plus 0 multiplied by minus 4. Again this multiplied by this, 2 multiplied by 1 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 8, and we get the result is equal to this, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, 1, minus 1 is plus, and minus 12, this minus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 12. Here minus 1 multiplied by 1 is minus 1, this minus 1, and 8 3s are 24, minus 24. Again we write this, 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 2, and plus 0, this 0, and again 2 multiplied by 2 and 0 multiplied by minus 8 plus 0. We write this and get the answer, minus 11 and minus 25, this minus 11, and minus 2, and this 0 tha, minus 2 and plus 2. Now it is our first result of, then we find, then we solve the next question. Now this is our AB minus AC. The second part of this, we write AB is equal to, write AB, first we find AB, A multiplied by B, and we write here A, this is our A, minus 1 and 3 and 2 0. Now write B, this is 1, this is 2, minus 3, minus 5. Now we multiply this by this and we get the answer of this. Now it is equal to, multiply A multiply B, and A multiply B is like this, then this multiply by this row, yes, AB is equal to minus 1, this row will multiply by this, minus 1 multiply by 1 and plus 3 multiply by minus 3, okay, and this row will multiply this, minus 1 multiply 2 and plus 3 multiply by minus 5, right, in brackets, and this again we write this, and now this multiply this, 2 multiply by 1 and plus 0 multiply by minus 3, this, and this multiply by this, 2 multiply by 2 and plus 0 multiply by minus 5, this minus 5, and we get the result AB, this is AB is equal to minus 1 and minus 9, minus 1 and minus 9 here, and minus 2 and minus 3 5s are this, 5 3s are, and minus multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by minus 5, and this 15, 3 multiplied by minus 5, 315, again 2 and plus 0, and here 4 plus also 0. We get the result AB is equal to minus 10 and minus 17. This minus 2 minus 15 minus 17. 2 plus 0 only 2, and 4 plus 0 4. Now it is our result AB. Now we find AC. First we write A. This is our matrix A, minus 1 3 2 0. Now I have written minus 1 3 and 2 0. This is A matrix. Now we write C, and C value of these 1 2 1 and 1 3. Now we multiply by this. AC multiply by this. Again this multiplies minus 1 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by 1. Again minus 1 multiply this one and plus 3 multiply by 3. Again we write this, and this multiply by this. 2 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by 1. Again this multiply this. 2 multiply by 1 and plus 0 multiply by 3. We get AC is equal to minus 2 here and plus 3. Again minus 1, this minus 1 multiply 1 minus 1 and plus 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and again we write 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 0, this 0, and 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0. Again we write here AC is equal to minus 2 plus 3 1, this, minus 1 plus 9 8, and 4 plus 0 4. Now 2 plus 0 2. Now we put these value, putting the result of AB and AC in 1. We have written in 1 in the right hand side. We write again here. We find AB. Again we write AB minus AC. Now we write the AB result. AB is equal to minus 10, this minus 10 and minus 17 and 2 and 4. Now this is our result AB. Now we write minus, we write AC. The AC is 1 8 and 4 2. Now this is our. Now we subtract this and get the result. Now minus 10 minus 1, this minus 1, minus 17 and minus 8. Now here 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 and 4, this 4 minus 2, this 4 minus 2. We get the result is equal to minus 11. This is minus 11 and this is minus 25, and this is minus 2, 2 minus 4, this is 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now it is equal to AB and AC. Now from the result, left hand side, putting the value from 1 and 2. This is our 2 from 1 and 2. We write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now again we write A multiply B minus C. A multiply by B minus C and is equal to AB and minus AC. Now we have this result. Now next question is this. Now the question number 6. Now this we multiply by this A multiply B, then after multiplication we take the transpose. Now this is our A, this is our B, this is our C. AB transpose is equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. The second part BC transpose is equal to C transpose and B transpose. First we take this, and AB transpose is equal to B transpose and A transpose. By taking left hand side, this side we multiply with this is equal to, we write this row will multiply by this row. It means we write this is equal to this minus 1 multiplied by 1 and plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Again we write this multiplied by this minus 1 multiplied by 2 and again plus 3 multiplied by minus 15, 3 multiplied by minus 5, this, okay, and we write this, and this will multiply this 2 multiplied by 1 and 0 multiplied by minus 3, okay, and this result is it multiply this row, this multiply this 2 multiplied by 2 and plus 0 multiplied by minus 5. Again we write this and write t. Again is equal to, we remove the bracket here and we write t here, minus 1 and minus 3 is equal to ये minus 2 and minus 15, or here 2 and plus 0 and 2 2s are 4 and plus 0. Now we write here t is equal to this minus 4 minus 1 minus 3, sorry, this is minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, this minus 9, this minus 9, 3 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 9 to minus 10 here, minus 1 and minus 9 minus 10 here, and minus 2 minus 15 minus 17 here, and 2 and 4. Now we write here transpose here. Now we take the transpose of this row, we will write in the column minus 10 minus 17, and this row, this column is row, and this 2 and 4, we write this result minus 10 and 2 minus 17 is 4. Now this is our first result, and now we take the left and right hand side and then we multiply this. This is our B, or we write here T, and here is A T. Now first we will take the transpose and then we will multiply. This we take the transpose, it means 1 minus 3, this, and 2 minus 5 is here. Now again we write this minus 1 and 2 and 3 0. Now we have taken and the transpose of this and this. Now we multiply this. Now multiply is equal to this multiplied by this 1 multiplied by minus 1, this 1 multiplied by this minus 1 and plus minus 3 multiplied by 3, again this 3, again 1 multiplied by 2 plus minus 3 multiplied by 0, this, again 1 multiplied by 2 and minus 3 multiplied by 0, again this 2 will multiply by this minus 1, again minus 5 plus minus 5 is multiplied by 3, this, I am 2 multiplied by 2 this, and plus minus 5 multiplied by 0, here is equal to minus 1, this minus 1, and minus 3 multiplied by 3 is minus 9, and here 1 multiplied by 2 2, and this 0 multiplied by this plus 0, and 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2, this minus 2, and 3 multiplied by minus 5 minus 15, and 2 multiplied by 2 4, and 0 multiplied by this plus 0. When I write here is equal to minus 10 and 2 and is equal to minus 17 and is equal to 4. Now it is the second result from 1 and 2. We see that A, B T is equal to BT is equal to A multiply T. Now it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is the first part of this question. Now we solve the second part of this question. Second part is BCT is equal to CT multiplied by BT. Now first we take by taking the left hand side. Is equal to CT is equal to BT. First we take this and we multiply this. We have written already. This is our B matrix. This is our C matrix. We write here T. First we multiply this 1 multiplied by minus 2. This 1 multiplied by minus 2. This minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Again this minus multiplied by minus 2 and 2 this multiplied by 3. Again 1 multiplied by 6. This 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by minus 9. 2 multiplied by minus 9 plus 2 multiplied by minus 9. Here we write this. And this minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. This minus 2. And again plus minus 5 multiplied by 3. Again we write this multiplied by this. Minus 3 multiplied by 6 and plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 9. Again here is equal to this, and we write this minus 2, this minus 2, and 2 3 is 6 plus 6. Now here 1 multiplied by 6, this 6, and minus 9 multiplied by 2 minus 18, this minus 18, and minus 3 multiplied by this minus 2 we get 6, and here minus 5 and multiply 3 minus 15 is here minus 15. Now minus 3 multiply 6 minus 18, and here minus 5 multiply by minus 9 we get 45. Now here we write this and we write this T here is equal to, we write now minus 2 plus 6 4 right here, and my 6 minus 18 minus 12 here, minus 6 minus 15 is minus 9, and minus 18 plus 45 we write 27, and here we write T. Now we take transpose of this is equal to, we write here 4 minus 9, we pick the column, make the rows. Here we pick the rows and write the column, and now 4 minus 9 and minus 12 and 27. Now this is our result. This is first result of A, B, C, T, and 4 minus 9 minus 12 27. Now we solve the second part of this, and this is right side part. Now this is our C, we write here T, this is our B, we write here T, and we multiply. First we take the transpose, and minus 2 3 and 6 9 we have taken the transpose, and 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 5. Now we have written in this form. Now it is equal to, we write this, we multiply this row by this row by this, then we multiply this. Now here minus 2 multiplied by 1, and this 3 multiplied by 2. Again this minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Again this 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 5. This minus 5. We write here this. Again this 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 1 plus 9. Here 6 multiplied by 9. This minus 9. We will not write here. This is our minus 9. This is our minus 9. We have wrongly write here. Minus 2 6, 3 and minus 9. 1 2 minus 3 and minus 5. We write here minus 9, and is also minus 9 this here. and is equal to, now again multiply this minus 2 multiply 1, this one 3 multiply 2 here, and again this multiply minus 2 multiply minus 3 and 3 multiply minus 5 right here. Now we multiply by this 6 multiply 1 and minus 9 multiply by 2, again here 6 multiply by 3 minus 3, yes minus 3, and plus minus 9 multiply by minus 5, this. Now we multiply this is equal to minus 2 and plus 6 and minus plus, we write here 6 and 3 5s are 15 minus 15. Now 6 multiply 1 6 and minus 9 multiply by 2 minus 18. Now here 6 multiply minus 3 minus 18, this, or minus this multiply minus plus, or 45, 45, 9 5s are 45. Now here we write here is equal to 4 and minus 9 and minus 12, 6 minus 18 minus 12, and minus 18 plus 45, the answer is plus 27. Now this is our second result, and from 1 and 2 we write here is equal to BC का transpose is equal to C transpose and multiply by B transpose. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. This. That is the end of this exercise.